Hello friends, welcome to my channel BioKnowledge by Dhanashree. So our today topic is humoral and cell mediated immunity. Okay, in last video we have seen types of immunity, acquired immunity and innate immunity. Okay, acquired is adaptive only. So here this is a continuation of adaptive immunity only. So what is humoral and cell mediated? Once the antigen enters into our body, that antigen will be encountered by immune system. Okay, so it will produce two types of immunity. What are those? Humoral immunity and cell mediated immunity. So humoral immunity, it will include antibody, and cell immunity, it will include immune cell. Okay, humoral, why it is called as humoral? Because humor means body fluids. So in body fluids antibody will be present. Okay, that's why it is called as humoral immunity. Cell mediated because here cells are involved, means cells are involved. So that's why it is called as cell mediated immunity. So now we will discuss in detail what humoral immunity and cell mediated immunity. So here now we will see humoral and cell mediated immunity, how these are connected. So first cell, what cell? Antigen presenting cell. It may be B cell, it may be dendritic cell, or it may be macrophage. Okay, so the antigens that will come inside by phagocytosis, okay, that will come inside by phagocytosis. So that cell will be phagocytosized and it will be presented on MHC2 molecule, class 2 MHC molecule. Okay, so here in humoral immunity the extracellular antigen will come. Extracellular antigen. Extracellular antigen means the extracellular antigen will be encountered by APC. Okay, extracellular antigen means what? That will produce outside of the host cell. Okay, it can't survive inside of the host cell. Once it will be encountered, it will be phagocytosized and that fragments will be processed, and that fragments will be presented on class 2 MHC molecule on surface of APC. So this antigen, okay, once the antigen is attached to the class 2 MHC molecule, peptide, this is peptide, okay, peptide plus class 2 MHC molecule, that will be recognized by T helper cells. Okay, that will be recognized by T helper cells. That T helper cell, okay, so here this antigen will be recognized, this antigen plus class 2 MHC molecules will be recognized by T helper cell. This is a CD4, it's a marker of TH cell. Okay, that will be recognized. Once it recognizes, it will be activated. What happened? It will be activated. Okay, once it activated, it will produce the cytokines. Okay, this is very important. It will produce the cytokines. Okay, why it is important? Because it only you can say activate TC cells and here B cells. Okay, it activate the B cell. It activate the B cell and tell to go into differentiation. Okay, into what? Plasma cells, and memory B cells, Okay, so plasma cells that will produce the antibodies. Okay, that will produce the antibodies. So here what happened? Once that antigen, so first from first we will see the antigen is coming, and that antigen is processed by APC, antigen presenting cell, and that is represented on the surface by class 2 MHC molecule, and that will be recognized by T helper cell. Okay, T helper cell, in that two subtypes are there, TH1 and TH2. Okay, TH1 and TH2 subtypes are there. So TH1 mainly here, TH1 and here TH2. So this TH2, the cytokines, okay, the TH2 will produce a cytokine that will activate the B cell here. Okay, so that activated B cell. So what type of cytokines will be produced here? Interleukin, what? Interleukin 4, interleukin 5, interleukin 6, interleukin 10. These type of cytokines will be produced here. So that B cell, activated B cell, will be differentiated into plasma cell or effector B cell, okay, or plasma cell. So that plasma cell will produce the antibodies. Okay, so antibody, how that will attack the antigen. So that will attack the antigen, like epitope and paratope. Okay, epitope are present on antigen and paratope are present on antibody. So that will cross-link and have the same different types of reaction. That ultimately that will be cleared from the body. So these antigen will kill this antigen and this antigen. Okay, this particular antigen, this particular antibody is particular for this particular antigen here. Okay, so here this you can say what how it will be cleared. It will be cleared by phagocytosis, or you can say complement system. Okay, by these two processes that will be cleared, that antigen will be cleared from the body. So here memory B cell, why it is important memory B cell? Because it will have the memory. If the same antigen is coming next time, second time, okay, that time the B cell will be activated and say, okay, this we have seen this antigen, so we can kill it by that process, or we have to create specific antibody. Immunoglobulin, 5 types of immunoglobulin are there. Okay, G, A, M, D, E. So this particular immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin D, immunoglobulin E. So what that type of antibodies are produced for that particular antigen. Okay, so this is the humoral immunity. Why it is called as humoral immunity? Because it involves the antibodies. Okay, it involves the antibodies. Why it is called as humoral? Because humor means in fluid. In fluid, what presents? Antibody cells are present. Okay, so this is humoral immunity. Now we will see the cell mediated immunity. So once the TH cell, okay, the T helper cell activated, that produce the cytokines. Okay, so one of the subtype of T helper cell, TH1, that will produce what type of cytokines? IL-2, IFN, gamma. So that will proliferate T cell. Okay, T cell, cytotoxic T cell. So here intracellular antigen. Suppose intracellular antigen. Intracellular antigen means it is produced inside the host cell. Okay, and it can it's a unique protein synthesized by cancerous cell or virus infected cell. Okay, suppose it is a nucleated cell, like a cancerous cell, or you can say it's a cancerous cell, or you can say what cell? Virus infected cell. Virus infected cell. So it will have MHC, class 1 MHC molecule. This that antigen is coming, and that antigen, okay, processed peptides are coming on the MHC class 1 molecule plus peptide. So that will be recognized by T helper cell. Okay, here in B cell, APC may be B cell, DC cell, or macrophage. Suppose the B cell. So B cell can recognize antigen easily, but the T cell will not recognize antigen. It should be attached to the class 1 MHC molecule. Okay, then only it will recognize, okay, that antigen is there. We have to process that. Okay, so here what happened? The TC cell, these are the TCRs, T cell receptor. These are the TCR, T cell receptor. So here CD8. For TC cell, CD8 marker is there. Okay, along with that marker, along with the co-stimulator, it will be attached. Okay, so here TC cell, and that will differentiate into cytotoxic T lymphocyte, CTLs. Okay, it will contain some enzymes. What enzyme? Granzymes, perforin, and perforins. So that will be killed means that enzyme will be acted on antigen and that antigen will be killed. Okay, so how that granzyme will leads to apoptosis. Apoptosis means cell death only. Okay, and here that porphyrin, it will be pore forming. Okay, that will form the pores in the bacteria or viruses, and that will be killed. Ultimately killing of cell here. So here you can see it's intracellular antigen, means it's produced inside the cell. It will utilize host machinery and it will be produced. So our cell starts a modification. Okay, it will be altered self-cell. This is called as altered self-cell, and that processed antigen will be presented on class 1 MHC molecule. So that will be recognized by TC cell, T cytotoxic cell. Okay, and that will be converted with the help of cytokines IL-2 and IFN gamma. IFN gamma for macrophage. Okay, IL-2 for the T cell proliferation, and that will be leads to cytotoxic T lymphocyte that contain the granzyme and porphyrin. That killing of cell will be done. So what are the major differences here? You can see it's a B cell. Humoral is B cell mediated. T cell mediated immunity is T cell mediated. Okay, here it is B cell mediated. And then next, it's a rapid reaction. Okay, if the memory cells are there for second time, that will be rapidly, it will produce the antibodies. Okay, it is a delayed one because it should why? Because that intracellular antigen will be going inside and that will utilize host machinery. Then after some time, after some days, that will be recognized by TC cell. Okay, so it involves the B cell receptor. These are the B cell receptor. These are the, if it is a B cell. Okay, if it is a B cell, it is a BCR, B cell receptors that will engulf the antigen. Okay, here it involves the TCR, T cell receptor. So it is a primary defense against extracellular antigen. It is a primary defense against the cell-mediated immunity. Is the cell-mediated immunity defense mechanism against the intracellular antigen. It involves B cell. It involves T cell lymphocyte. It is antibody mediated. This is antibody mediated. This is cell mediated. Okay. So this is all about humoral and cell-mediated immunity. Again, here one thing I have to note. See, like memory B cells, memory T cells also produced. Memory T cells are also produced. Why? If the same antigen is coming, that time what it will produce, a intracellular antigen. Okay, coming. So that time it will produce a cytokines for that particular antigen. Okay, so that means that TC cell will be activated and cytotoxic T lymphocyte will be generated, and then the cell will be killed. So here this is very important. Why? Because memory cells are very important for the second time invasion. Okay, so by this mechanism is generated. So this is all about the humoral and cell mediated immunity. So if you like the video, okay, please share it, comment it. If you have any doubt, comment on it. And so thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to BioKnowledge.
Subscribe to my channel BioKnowledge with Dhanashree. Thank you.